Welcome to our collection of wooden phone holders. Discover the perfect blend of creativity and style with our range of wooden phone holders, designed for every space in your home or office. Our unique creations not only keep your phone secure and accessible, but also add a touch of elegance to your decor. Whether you're looking to enhance your workspace, organize your bedside, or add a statement piece to your living area, our wooden phone holders are the ideal solution. Explore our collection and find the perfect match for your style. In the fast-paced world we inhabit today, our smartphones serve as indispensable tools for communication, productivity, and entertainment. However, ensuring that our devices are organized and easily accessible can often feel challenging. Enter wooden phone holders, an elegant solution that marries practicality with style. These holders not only provide a designated space for your phone, but also add a touch of sophistication to your environment. Crafted from exquisite woods, each holder enhances the aesthetic appeal of any space while serving its primary function. One of the primary attractions of wooden phone holders lies in their natural charm. Every piece of wood carries its unique character, with distinct grain patterns and colors that tell a story of their own. From the warm tones of oak to the rich hues of mahogany, these materials bring an earthy elegance that plastic or metal alternatives simply cannot match. This organic beauty not only captivates the eye but also contributes to a healthy environment, as wooden products are often biodegradable and less harmful to the planet. Wooden phone holders are remarkably versatile, effortlessly fitting into various settings. Whether you need a holder for your desk at work, a decorative piece for your living room, or a bedside companion, there's a wooden design that will suit your needs. Their aesthetic adaptability means they can harmonize with modern, traditional, or eclectic decor styles, making them a practical choice for anyone looking to enhance their space without sacrificing style. The design of wooden phone holders goes beyond mere beauty. They are engineered for functionality. Many feature angle designs that promote optimal viewing, making video calls or watching content a more enjoyable experience. Additionally, the sturdy construction and secure grip ensure that your device remains safe, reducing the risk of accidental drops. With these holders, practicality and style are not mutually exclusive. They work in tandem to enhance your overall experience. In a world increasingly seeking sustainable solutions, wooden phone holders stand out as an eco-conscious choice. Many manufacturers source their wood from sustainably managed forests, contributing to responsible forestry practices. By choosing these products, you support an industry that prioritizes environmental stewardship. This commitment to sustainability is not only beneficial for the planet, but also gives consumers peace of mind, knowing they've made a mindful purchasing decision. One of the most appealing aspects of wooden phone holders is the potential for personalization. Many artisans offer customization options, such as engraving names, initials, or special messages onto the holders. This thoughtful touch transforms a simple accessory into a cherished keepsake or a unique gift for loved ones. Whether it's for a birthday, holiday, or corporate occasion, personalized wooden phone holders create a memorable connection between the giver and the recipient. Wooden phone holders make fantastic gifts that are both practical and stylish. Their universal appeal makes them suitable for a wide range of occasions and recipients, from tech enthusiasts to those simply looking for a chic way to organize their devices. A beautifully crafted holder can convey thoughtfulness and care, allowing you to show appreciation in a way that feels personal and meaningful. In addition to their practicality, wooden phone holders can significantly enhance your home decor. Placing a stylish holder on your desk, nightstand, or kitchen counter not only clarifies your space, but also showcases your taste. They can serve as focal points or subtle accents that harmonize with other decorative elements in the room. When paired with other wooden accents, such as shelves, picture frames, or furniture, these holders can create a cohesive aesthetic that elevates the overall vibe of your space. In professional environments, a wooden phone holder contributes to a polished, organized workspace. It allows for easy access to your phone while keeping it upright and off the desk, reducing clutter and distractions. This added organization helps foster a productive atmosphere, enabling you to focus on tasks without the constant search for your device. The elegant design of wooden holders can also impress clients and colleagues, reflecting a sense of professionalism and attention to detail. Wooden phone holders often highlight superior craftsmanship, as many are handcrafted by skilled artisans. The attention to detail, combined with high-quality materials, ensures that each piece is not only functional but also a work of art. Investing in a well-crafted wooden phone holder means acquiring a durable product that will withstand daily use and last for years to come. The variety of designs available in wooden phone holders is virtually limitless. From sleek, minimalist styles that complement modern decor to more elaborate, decorative options that serve as conversation starters, there's a design for everyone. Some holders include additional features, such as compartments for charging cables, making them even more multifunctional. This wide range allows homeowners to select holders that best fit their specific aesthetics and needs. In conclusion, creative and stylish wooden phone holders are more than mere accessories. They are essential additions to any home or office space. Their ability to blend functionality with artistic beauty makes them ideal for anyone looking to enhance their environment, improve organization, and make a statement about their style. Explore the unique offerings available and find the perfect wooden phone holder that resonates with your individuality, elevating your everyday experience. Thank you for watching. We appreciate your time and interest in our collection of creative and stylish wooden phone holders. We hope you found inspiration and ideas to enhance your space with these beautiful and functional accessories. Each piece is designed to combine practicality with aesthetic appeal, ensuring that your phone is not only well organized but also adds a touch of elegance to your environment. Thank you for joining us on this journey of exploration, and we hope to see you again soon.